What's up, guys? Philip the Titan here. I had to do this. So Xiaomi just released their lineup of phones, but just released this concept phone, which they actually brought out on stage, and it is a physical phone, and there's even a price. This is incredible technology, guys. This is a leap in engineering when it comes to phone creation. This is not an iPhone. This is clearly a company thinking out the box and saying, where are phones going to be in the next 5 to 10 years? And I think they nailed it. It is a completely curved, not even curved, it's just wrapped screen. And we know Samsung and LG have been working on that technology a long time, but I think they just nailed it. Xiaomi just nailed it. And they nailed it with the Mi Mix Alpha, and it's 5G. Guys, this is it. I mean, does it get any freaking cooler than this? No, it does not. Well, as we take a look at this phone, okay, so there is that black strip behind it. That's what probably holds the screen together when you wrap it. But guys, some of just the features on it, besides the screen, are incredible. You're getting the 4D surround display, which is literally 180.6% screen to body, and the body is a black strip. And then you have triple cameras, which are incredible. Yes, you do not have a front-facing camera. You don't need it because you just turn your phone around and you have the whole camera there in front of you. That's incredible. And what's cool about this camera is the sensor is ginormous compared to any other phone, with 108 megapixels for the primary. And then for the ultra wide, you're getting 20 megapixels. And then for the telephoto, you're getting 12. I mean, that's already a seller for me right there. I'm immediately going to get this phone because these are what I'm looking for, especially in the car industry and everything I do. I need good cameras on board. But the sapphire glass cam cover, I mean, that is going to give such clarity. And then what's cool about this is the frame is actually titanium alloy. And that's going to give a lot of sturdiness to this phone. No flex. It's going to be strong. And then you got the 12 gigabyte RAM on board with the 512 gigabyte hard drive. So, I mean, you got plenty of storage. And since it's Android, you're going to get your SD reader. And you could store up as much as you want. And I think it's really cool, though, is it's the 40-watt fast charging system within it. That right there is just cool. And I just want you guys to see this charging system because it is freaking cool. This is them. They posted on their Twitter, and you can see right here, as it charges, it actually shows you how much battery life you have. I mean, that right there is freaking cool. I can't wait to see this in my hand and just look at it. The glowing effect is just incredible. But that's just one feature. I mean, that's incredible. But take a look at this as it's in your hand, guys. I mean, you've never seen a phone like this ever. This is the future. All phones will be along these lines in the future. This is priced around the same as the what do you call it? The foldable phone, and so you're looking at around $2,500 for this. But you have to ask yourself, are you looking for the next best thing? Because we're already paying around $1,500 for these iPhones that offer nothing. I'm actually having a problem with my iPhone right now. After the iOS 13 update, I can't even get my SD reader to read anymore. So I'm over it. I need this in my life. I need innovation in my life. It's what I'm looking for in a phone. And I think the Mi Max Alpha 5G concept, which is an actual phone and is coming out, is the phone for me. It just looks incredible. It's the future. It signifies the future. I can't wait to see what type of casing is going to be for this phone, because clearly we do not know yet. It's going to be very fragile from what you can see, but I think it's going to be worth every cent because clearly they're thinking, okay, this phone's going to crack really easy. So how can we, tackle that? So straight off the bat, I think the titanium alloy frame is going to help out dramatically. And then I think we're going to see probably a glass case come out that protects it. Innovating a new phone, you have to innovate everything. So, that's definitely part of it. So I'm eager to see what's going to come of it. But yeah, guys, just incredible stuff. I'm glad we're part of this generation where we get to see innovation coming in now. I was really tired of the dull iPhone. It looks exactly the same. Ooh, we added an extra camera, but it's the same phone. And this just said, no, I want something totally different, guys. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Remember to subscribe to the channel. From motorsports, gaming, to cooking, to technology. I am your boy, Philip the Titan here. Thank you so much for joining us. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments. So would you guys buy this phone? Would you guys buy this phone if it was, $500? Or is it intimidating to you that it would break easy and just not be worth it? Let me know, but I want to hear your guys' comments. And yeah, that is incredible. Live charging like that, for the display, the whole phone. Yeah, I'm in. All right, guys, Philip the Titan here. You guys have a great one. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Remember, subscribe and hit like. Later, guys.